Top 6 Best Mini PC for 2022 for gaming, TV, and work. Hey guys, today we're going to take a sneak peek at the best mini PC in the market. So if you're planning to buy one, then you're at the right place. Please do check out the description below to see all the featured products and their buy link. Let's get started. Number 1. KAMRUI. This excellent mini PC is about 5.04 by 5.04 by 2.05 inches. Intel's Celeron Apollo Lake J3455 powers it. It delivers incredible responsiveness and is smoother than Intel Atom Z8350 and Celeron N3350. Easily switch back and forth between more applications with 8GB DDR3 memory and 128GB mSATA solid-state drive storage. Very fast and no lagging or jumping. This comes with 2 HDMI ports connecting dual monitors easily, simplifying and doubling your work efficiency. Also, the VESA mount can free you from the messy desktop. It is convenient to hide the mini desktop PC on the back of the monitor or HD TV. The modern light feature includes blue light while running and red light during standby. Just plug-in device is running and ready for you to use simply by opening it up. It is equipped with Intel HD Graphics 500 support 4K HD. Easy to enjoy web surfing and 4K video playback, or connect your projector as a home theater. Enjoy various entertainment. Number 2. Intel NUC 9 Extreme. One of the first mini PCs to hit the scene was Intel's Next Unit of Computing, or NUC for short. Intel designs the NUC with the latest processor on board, but that's all that comes on board. Users generally need to provide their RAM and hard drive. That's not always the case, though, since Intel sells the NUC to manufacturers who can add those components and sell customized NUCs. The case is designed to optimize airflow, so it's still roomy enough for whatever components you want to add. The plus side is you get the best processor from a company that makes great processors. You can build this mini PC with whatever components you want to make this a very highly portable rig. If you're going to take it to a friend's house for a night of gaming, it's easy. If you're going to have a portable computer for a life on the go, this is a great start. This is primarily a computer designed for people who want to build their custom PC in a small package. Number 3. Beelink. Beelink SER3 Mini PC comes with AMD Ryzen 7 3750H, 4 cores, 8 threads. Equipped with 2 memory slots, your RAM capacity can be expanded up to 32GB RAM of single card slot and up to 64GB RAM of dual card slot. It offers excellent performance and is a super cool experience. The compact size makes this product a top choice for the business office and education industry. You can expand the storage with 500GB M.2 SATA SSD 2280 NVMe SSD interface upgrade storage to 2TB, not included, and via 2.5-inch SATA HDD up to 2TB if you want to set up auto power on. The mini desktop computer is equipped with 4K Radeon RX Vega 10 graphics support, dual HDMI and Type-C output. It can be used as a PC or HTPC for home theater. Therefore, you can use it in the office, in the internet bar, or wherever a computer can be used. Playing a 4K HD video gives you an excellent viewing experience. Type-C can be fully converted into high-definition video and audio output, USB interface, charging interface, etc. Number 4. MINIX Neo J50C4. The perfect entertainment partner. Enjoy a rich multimedia experience with Neo J50C4 and its stunning 4K ultra high definition video playback and streaming capabilities. HDMI 2.0 delivers fluid viewing with 4K resolution at 60Hz for lifelike motion, which adds crisp definition and clarity to images. Everyday computing. An Intel Pentium Silver J5005 processor powers it with integrated Intel UHD Graphics 605 and NEO J50C4 delivers desktop performance in a fraction of the size and weight. NEO J50C4 is ideal for everyday computing tasks, offering the same versatility as a desktop PC. Whether you want to stream media or finish that last-minute presentation, NEO J50C4 is designed to perform such computing tasks with ease. Raise your productivity. NEO J50C4 Mini PC is the perfect desktop replacement, providing a light and portable workstation that is fast, responsive, and energy efficient. Thanks to its powerful Intel quad-core processor, you can effortlessly fulfill your productivity needs: web browsing, emails, and multitasking across up to 3 displays. It is ideal for commercial and industrial applications. An auto power-on option can be enabled within the BIOS menu settings, removing the need to power back on after a power outage manually. Number 5. CHUWI. CHUWI RZ Box Mini PC powered with AMD Ryzen 9 4900H processor. This gaming PC with built-in 16GB DDR4 memory for SODIMM 3200 MHz dual-channel memory expansion slots support memory upgraded up to 64GB installed with the Kingston 512GB NVMe SSD, which supports PCI Express 3.0 high-speed transfer protocol and read and write speeds over 2000 megabits per second. You can expand the storage via the dual 2280 M.2 slot to 2 TB, features revolutionary 7nm Zen 2 architecture, 8 cores, 16 threads, main frequency 3.3 GHz, turbo frequency 4.4 GHz, total L3 cache 8M, and max 54W TDP for a next-generation multitasking experience that takes processing speeds and energy efficiency to new heights. It is widely used for intense gaming, image editing, office software, creative design, programming, etc. This gaming PC with built-in 16GB DDR4 memory for SODIMM 3200 MHz dual-channel memory expansion slots support memory upgraded to 64GB. Installed with Kingston 512GB NVMe SSD, which supports PCI Express 3.0 high-speed transfer protocol and read and write speeds over 2000 megabytes per second, you can expand the storage via the dual 2280 M.2 slot to 2 TB, not included. Number 6. HP Z2 Mini G5. The HP Z2 Mini G5 workstation delivers precisely what it says on the tin. This tiny desktop offers all the power of a larger workstation, complete with the features and ports that professionals need for work. Our review model is configured way above the starting price, with an 8-core Intel Core i7 10700K processor, 32GB of memory, 1.5 TB of solid-state storage, and a NVIDIA Quadro T2000 GPU. The size might lead you to assume the Z2 Mini lacks power compared with more extensive systems, but it hangs with the rest for performance. If you need to crunch the exact numbers on where you can fit this unit, it measures 2.28 by 8.5 by 8.5 inches. It takes up little more room than a desk lamp, making it an excellent pick for space-limited shoppers. It's markedly more compact than even most small form factor PCs, though its bulky laptop-style power brick undermines this somewhat. The power adapter is about 1/4 the size of the whole PC. Okay, that's all for today, guys. I hope you liked the video. Please tell us which products you'd like us to review next in the comments section. And don't forget to check the description box for all the buy links of products featured today. Thank you.